Ingredients. Yield 4 servings. 4 tablespoons unsalted butter. 4 split poppy seed hot dog buns. 4 all-beef hot dogs, preferably bun length. Yellow mustard, cup sweet pickle relish. 1 small white onion, small diced. 1 small tomato, halved and thickly sliced lengthwise. 4 dill pickle spears, 4 to 8 sport peppers. Celery salt. Preparation. Step 1. In a large skillet over medium, melt 2 tablespoons butter. Without splitting them in half completely, gently flatten the hot dog buns and place them seam side up in the pan. Move them around to catch all the melted butter and cook until very lightly toasted at the edges, 1 to 3 minutes. Remove the buns and set aside. Step 2. Raise the heat to medium-high and add the remaining 2 tablespoons butter to the pan. When the butter is melted, add the hot dogs and cook, rolling occasionally until all sides are browned and looking crispy, 3 to 5 minutes. See tip if grilling. Step 3. Place the cooked dogs in the buns and top each with as much yellow mustard, relish and onion as you like. On one side of each dog, place a couple of tomato slices. On the other side, place a single pickle spear. Top with as many sport peppers as you can handle. Generously season with the celery salt and serve immediately. Tip: if you're grilling, just cook the hot dogs over direct medium heat until charred and blistered in spots, 8 to 10 minutes. And meanwhile, toast the buns over the open flame as well, about 30 seconds.